Hello, gentlemen. Please enjoy this update to the pricing of the Terra Luna Classic, and I think you'll find this video to be rather engaging. And now, for the unvarnished truth. Looking in the last 24 hours, we can see that we have dropped 2.7% to a value of about 0.2794. As a result, the volume dropped by 44%, which is not a good indicator. As a result, current volume is near $1 billion, and the fully diluted market cap is still close to $2 billion. Lastly, I have something really exciting to show you. Just take a look at the past 30 days. The figures show that Luna Classic has increased by an astonishing 185% during the past month. Don't let the fact that we've been slowly declining over the past few days discourage you. Instead, keep an eye on the big picture. After such a steep ascent, a correction like this is to be expected. We're still up 185% from a month ago, while Luna is up 52%. Even so, that's fantastic news for Luna Classic in general. We're taking a look at Terra Luna Classic's TradingView hourly chart right now. I get asked all the time what I use to analyze coins, so if you're interested in taking a look at the TradingView we utilize, follow the links in the description. Trading Perspective. The description includes a link to my channel. With the provided link, you can try it risk-free for up to 30 days. Let's dive back into the technical analysis. Also, remember that I indicated yesterday that we need to ascend above the EMA ribbons in the last few hours. This is crucial. Moreover, we typically observe a continuation when we retest the EMA ribbons. Like I indicated, we retested the EMA ribbons and then had a negative outcome. They were a tough nut that we had to crack. You can see that we not only reached the EMA ribbons, but also our critical resistance zone extending from 0.29828 to 0.31662. And it remains one of the most critical spots to keep an eye on. Beginning on September 1st, it has been at this crucial peak. Two baking attempts are evident, as is the subsequent breakage a few days later. Furthermore, this demonstrates the significance of the current level. On September 13th, we encountered support, and following a retest here and here, we have now seen yet another retest. Therefore, this is evidence of weakness and could portend further losses. Another crucial fact is that the current price of 0.27896 is precisely at the 0.618 Fibonacci level, which is one of the most essential levels we must maintain. And the decline if we actually now do not cross the 618 to the upside. Again, it is not a good indicator, and we would absolutely predict a down of roughly 20% at the bare minimum. This would also coincide with the base of the pattern we've been observing for the past several days, nearly a week. This is a massive pattern, one of great importance, and one that we must keep a close eye on lest it cause us to hold the 618. This is where we'll likely retrace our steps to the beginning of the pattern. Then, I want to see a retest and the breakout to the upside after a retracement and rebound back to the top of this pattern. That's the best case scenario we can hope for right now. Now that we know we're in a downtrend, I'll switch to the one-day chart and talk about a different scenario that's feasible. Presently, Terra Luna Classic can be compared to a bear cycle. It's also feasible that we continue to repeat the same cycles. So, what would that imply and what would follow? This is the kind of accumulation phase I anticipate, where we just sort of veer off to the side. The pattern is therefore ignored rather than broken out of. Reason being, there aren't many bullish signals for a classic in the charts at the moment. It is crucial that all exchanges, but especially Binance, implement the tax burden in a timely manner. Although KuCoin is the second largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, at 10%, we urgently need to have Binance on board with the 1.2% burn tax as well. Thus, those are now some of the most crucial details to keep in mind. Therefore, you may rest assured that it is founded on solid tax planning principles, and it's crucial that it happens both on and off the chain. Therefore, all transactions will be subject to taxation. That's mind-blowing, for sure. Binance is really active, with high volume. KuCoin is really popular. Therefore, we should pay special attention to these two conversations. In addition, gentlemen, please click the link in the description if you're interested in trading Terra Luna Classic on KuCoin. There is now a $500 sign-up incentive available. Follow the link, sign up for an account if you haven't already, and see if the exchange is suitable for trading Luna Classic. Wow, that's incredible! This back and forth is fantastic. The current Terra Luna Classic price report is complete. I simply wish to go over all the possible outcomes and the current events on a more immediate scale. Be very careful that we don't fall below the 0.618 Fibonacci level. Failure to maintain current levels would likely result in a 20% decline to retest the pattern's lows. Now let's look at the bright side. We require retest if we fail, which is why we're hoping for a significant volume boost, too. As you can see, we have not had a lot of volume in the recent hours. In the event that we do consolidate to the side, a breakout is more likely if volume grows and we move to the upside. Thus, the primary consideration is the most crucial, and it will be determined solely by the textual burn. The bulk of the information you need to know is presented in this video. If there is anything new coming out, or if I need to provide an update, you can count on me to tell you about it in a future video. Okay, gentlemen, that's it for this video. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll chat again in the next one. Have a nice day.